Hey everyone, Dean here again with Team Debaroo, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make $100 a day using Clickbank and free traffic sources. Now before we get into that, if you guys haven't already, be sure to sign up for the AFK forum by using the link in the description below. It's a free active community with over 1,000 active members already, sharing great information about affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and you won't want to miss out on anything that's going on in there. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the content and show you what's going on. Alright guys, let's get started. So here we are. This is Clickbank's main platform here, the dashboard. When you log in, this is what it's going to look like after you get approved to Clickbank. Clickbank is going to be a great affiliate network. They have tons and tons and tons of different offers for you to choose from, as well as many different categories that you can see over here. Today I went ahead and chose health and fitness. We're going to be taking a look at some of the health and fitness offers, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to angle them and work them with some free traffic methods to be able to make up to $100 a day. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive in here, and I want to show you guys what offer that I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate for you guys here today, and let's get started. So what I did, this is, like I said, the Clickbank Dashboard. I went ahead and went over to health and fitness section, and I took a look at some of the offers here. The offer that I chose for us to run today is this Keto 28 offer. Pays about $3.95 each conversion, and this is what the landing page looked like. So basically Keto 28, it's a day challenge, free 28-day keto diet meal planner, and free keto at the gym ebook. They basically put in the email address and that's it. And then it'll send them the ebook and do all that great stuff that they're trying to get them on. But what we're going to do today is we're going to promote this landing page here with some free traffic methods. And basically this is how you can make up to $100 a day. I've done this countless times, not only with this niche, and within the health and fitness. I've done it in tons of different other ones. I've used plenty of different affiliate networks. I've done it for free samples. I've done it for pet products. I've done it for all types of things. So this is something that has been working for a long time. It's something that will continue to work, but it does take a lot of effort. It does take a lot of work, and you're going to be the one driving the traffic. You're not paying Facebook or Google or anyone else to drive the traffic for you. You're going to be doing the hard work, making the posts, getting yourself out there, and really driving the traffic to the landing page. So this will work if you work. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I would do, now that I've picked out the landing page here, for this is I want to see which traffic method that I'm going to start out with. So with this offer, I'm going to go ahead and do a Instagram offer, Instagram method where we're going to basically do follow and unfollow. So basically we're going to create an Instagram page, so which I've already done here. And this is just a page that I kind of threw together a little bit earlier just to kind of get us started here. And I threw up some posts. Some of them I'll have to go through and delete because obviously mashed potatoes and keto don't necessarily go together. If anyone's been keto, mashed potatoes are not an option. So I just threw up a couple images here just to kind of get started. I want to make sure that my page looks like it's been around for a while. It's got some social proof. It's not like a new account or anything. And I've already kind of started doing this method a little bit to grow my followers. So basically how it works is you're going to find other accounts within your niche and basically start following all of their followers. You're going to start following all the followers that are on their account, as well as all the followers and likers on their latest pictures. That way you can get some active, engaging followers to start looking at your page. So the first thing that we would do is we want to set up a bridge page to be able to link over to this 28-day challenge for us to actually get paid. So what we'll do is we'll go over to ClickFunnels, and we're going to get set up within ClickFunnels. And one second. Because we still are going to want a bridge page to kind of pre-qualify them. and get them set up to actually start wanting to give us the information and eventually get paid here. So this is the template that we use for Instagram, for Facebook. I'm just going to go ahead and use this same template for what we're going to be doing here today. So I'm going to go ahead and hit edit. And we want to make this ClickFunnels bridge page look pretty similar to this 28 keto challenge. So maybe, let's see if I can save this image. Maybe we can use it. And let's see, I want to put this in here. And I'm also going to copy this. And let's see if there's any other photos. So it's pretty blank. It only has really this, but I think I'll just leave that for now. And let's see. First, I want to change all of this because they're not winning this. And I don't like that. Just trying to see what, kind of do something like this to kind of blend it out a little bit here. And we already have this. This is just a 2-question setup. So basically we want to put in 2 questions that we know already the answer to. Just something super simple for them to click through. We know the offer is going to be coming from Instagram or Facebook, so that's why we have that set up here. But if we click on it, we also want to make sure, come on. Now we want to make sure that the second question is set up. So we'll put this, but I want to change this bottom one here to other, just in case they aren't coming from Instagram, because at the end, we'll talk about a couple other things. Now, one thing that we want to do is we actually want to set up the outcome. So when someone is done with this 2-question quiz, after they're done with that and they click next, it's automatically going to send them to the next step, which would be to the lander. So we want to eventually get them to here. So we're going to go back to Clickbank. We're going to find the offer. It's this one right here. And we're going to promote. And for tracking ID, I'm just going to put in IG bio, so that way I know where this came from. As you can see, it updates here with the new tracking ID. Copy it. And now I'm just going to add that to the very end of my ClickFunnels in the outcome section. It'll be down here in the lower right. So I'll just add that there. As you can see, it's changed. And I'll come over here and I'm going to hit save. All right. Now the other thing I want to do is I want to add, let's see if I can add this image right here up at the top, just so it kind of blends in a little better. So I'm going to go ahead and add an element. I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to drag this over here. And then I'm going to drag it to the very top. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on it. You can hit image. And we're going to go ahead and upload a new image. So we'll just wait a couple seconds. All right. And let's see if we can maybe change the font to orange to kind of match a little better. Let me move me real quick so you guys can see. Almost got it. I think that'll work for now. So we'll just leave it that. As you can see, it changed to orange. and we'll just hit save. The only thing we want to do now is change the background, so I'll probably just match the background either a green or an orange. So I'm going to go to settings, I'm going to go to background, I'm going to go up here to background image, and I'm just going to choose a simple color that they have already pre-built in here. Maybe, let's see, I think I'm going to go with, let's try this green one here and just see kind of how it looks. So we'll add it. And that's what the lander looks like here. So it's pretty good. The only other thing that you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to change all this hyperlinks down here at the bottom. As you can see, they're not linked. So we'd want to go over to the landing page here and go down to the bottom. And you can find usually all of the information for privacy policies and all that good stuff there. As well as you can also contact the affiliate support here and find the information from them directly there. So there's a couple ways to do that. I'm just going to leave that alone for right now so that way we don't have to go through all that, but make sure that you do that before you start running any offers. And the only other thing we want to do with this is set up our settings, and we want to set up our SEO metadata. So this up here changes. So let's do, we're going to do something like get your free keto 28-day ebook. Something like that. And then we'll scroll down here and change the image so that way it actually shows an actual image. Add it again. And hit save. One more time, just because I'm OCD. And this is it. So this is our bridge page. We got it all set up. As you can see, it's the K28 Keto 28-Day Challenge. Get your 28-day keto diet meal planner and free Keto at the Gym ebook. Answer the questions below to qualify. It's just going to have the 2 questions, and then it's going to go over to the landing page, which is here. Then they'll go ahead and take a look at it. They'll say, oh, this is trustworthy. Let me enter my information and get my free ebook. So they'll go ahead and enter it, hit yes please, and then you're going to get paid. So with that, we have that all set up. The only other thing we're going to want to do now is we're going to want to add this landing page, the ClickFunnels bridge page, sorry, onto the Instagram page. So to do that, we'll go back over here, save again just because. Now we're going to grab this up here. Now you can put this directly into the Instagram bio. It'll accept it. It doesn't have an issue with ClickFunnels. However, I don't necessarily like the way it looks. Some people tend to like using their own domain name, so you could do something like that. Typically, if you're like me and you just want a free option, I just typically short link this. So I'll go to like bit.ly and I'll just make it a lot shorter and a lot cleaner. People don't tend to think as bit.ly as too much spam still, so I'll just copy the new one. And then what you'll do is you'll go back over to your Instagram page here and you'll go over to edit profile and you'll add that bit.ly short link into the profile here. And that's that. Now we'll just go back. And as you can see, the bit.ly is right here. I've set up a nice little bio for them to click on it. It has a bunch of images that you want to be niche related, so keto related, different things like that. Make it something that actually is going to bring value to the user as well, to your audience. Don't just put up a bunch of spammy images and just, no comments, no content or anything really with it, because that's not going to drive really anything besides a few clicks a day. You want to bring value to your audience. Bring them some recipes or something if you're doing something like this. Bring them some fitness, maybe some other keto products. Really bring value to your channel if this is the route that you're going to take. And the way that you're going to build traffic like this again is you're going to look up your competitors. So for example, Discover Keto, we'll just type in keto up here and you can see all these keto people that are popping up. And let's see, Keto Transformations, for example. They have 318,000 followers. So what you could do is you could go over to there and you could start following every single follower that they have and start getting some of them to follow you back. So if your page has great content on it, you're really showing value on your page, people are going to start following you back and taking a look at what you have to say. So this is a great way to earn extra money, extra side cash. You can definitely make $100 a day. I've done it before with multiple offers. This is not something new. It's been around for quite a while, and it's not really going to go away. There's not really a way to stop this, so I mean, have at it. This is a great method. This is how I made some of my first money with online marketing. It's something I would recommend. Another thing that you can do is you want to make sure that you get people that are really engaged. So sometimes these followers up here, especially if it's a large number like 318,000, they can really fall off, maybe become inactive, maybe they made a new account, maybe they're not even keto anymore, different things like that. So one thing that I would like to do is I like to maybe come over here to the actual photo, and I like to go through the likes on the photo and start actually following some of these people, because these people are active. You know, this post was just posted 5 days ago, not too long, but it is something that is a lot more active than maybe some of the followers up here. So that's something that you can take think about. Another thing too is if you've really mastered this, then you can start moving over to other social networks. So you can move over to Facebook. You can start going into some of the Facebook groups, maybe some of the keto Facebook groups, and posting about what you have to say. You can go on Twitter, Reddit, Pinterest, anywhere that you can think of, YouTube, just like this. And you can post these and start making money and driving traffic to your link and make $100 a day. So if you guys haven't already done this, I definitely recommend it. If you are making any money online, this is a great way to get your feet wet and jump into the industry. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found value in this. If you want to find some more videos like this, make sure you follow the AFK forum by using the link in the description below. It's free. A lot of great active people on there sharing great things. And with that being said, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Hope you had a good one. Catch you in the next one.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.